Do you ever feel exhausted, even when you haven't done anything physical? You wake up motivated, but by evening, even small choices feel overwhelming. What to eat, what to reply, what to prioritize. And suddenly, you don't want to decide anything. This is called decision fatigue, and it's draining your mental energy more than you realize. Today, we break down the psychology and neuroscience behind decision fatigue and how to fix it. What is decision fatigue? Decision fatigue happens when your brain becomes mentally exhausted from making too many choices. Every decision, even tiny ones, uses cognitive energy. Your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for focus, logic, and self-control, gets overloaded. When that happens, you procrastinate, you avoid decisions, you choose the easiest option, you make impulsive choices, you feel mentally drained. It's not laziness, it's neural depletion. Why your brain gets overloaded? Your brain is constantly processing notifications, messages, work demands, social expectations, micro decisions all day long. What to wear, what to say, how to respond, what to click. Modern life is decision-heavy. Your brain was not designed for unlimited options. Signs you have decision fatigue. You feel stuck choosing simple things. You delay important tasks. You snap at people more easily. You crave junk food or instant comfort. You feel mentally foggy by evening. When willpower drops, impulses rise. The neuroscience behind it. The prefrontal cortex uses glucose and mental energy to make decisions. The more you use it, the more tired it becomes. When it's fatigued, your brain shifts into autopilot. That means short-term rewards over long-term goals, avoidance instead of action, comfort instead of discipline. This is why you might eat unhealthy food at night, even if you were disciplined all morning. How to reduce decision fatigue. 1. Reduce small decisions. Simplify your routine. Plan meals ahead. Choose outfits in advance. Automate repetitive tasks. Fewer small decisions equals more mental clarity. 2. Make important decisions early. Your brain has the most willpower in the morning. Do high-focus work first. Save low-stakes tasks for later. Protect your cognitive peak. 3. Limit options. Too many choices increase anxiety. Instead of 20 options, give yourself 2 or 3. Constraint increases clarity. 4. Take mental breaks. Your brain needs recovery. Short walks, deep breathing, silence. Rest restores cognitive control. 5. Build habits. Habits reduce decision-making. When behavior becomes automatic, your brain saves energy. Structure reduces stress. Important truth: you are not weak, you are overloaded. In a world full of constant stimulation and endless options, decision fatigue is common, but awareness gives you power. Signs you're improving: you feel clearer during the day, you procrastinate less, you make decisions faster, you feel less mentally drained, you protect your focus intentionally. Mental energy is limited, protected wisely. To summarize, every decision uses cognitive energy. Too many choices exhaust the prefrontal cortex. Fatigue increases impulsive behavior. Structure reduces mental overload. Habits protect brain energy. Your brain is powerful, but it's not unlimited. Use it strategically. If this helps you, like this video. Subscribe to PsycAcademy for brain-based mental mastery. Comment, what small decision drains you the most? Next in this series, Brain Fog Explained.